This has to be my favorite dinner that I've done so far this season. I started off by making homemade corn tortillas with this heirloom blue corn masa. Also, sorry if my voice sounds nasally. I have a really bad cold. But yeah, I've become such a tortilla snob recently. Like, store-bought corn tortillas to me are literally disgusting. You only need masa, aka corn flour, water, and salt to make these, but pressing out each individual tortilla is definitely a labor of love. The first round of zucchini is growing in the garden, so I harvested some of these tiny little guys. I was inspired to make squash blossom quesadillas after seeing all of your comments. I separated the blossoms from the zucchinis and gave those a little rough chop. I used Oaxacan cheese, and then I made a jalapeno sauce using a massive zucchini that I got from the garden. I put some of that sauce inside of the actual quesadillas. Not traditional, don't come for me. And then I served them with more sauce on the side. And in case you missed it, all of these recipes will be in my newsletter, the group chat, and that goes out later this week. And for the rest of the menu, I confit some duck legs for duck carnitas, my client's favorite. I also did some lamb birria tacos and elote street corn. Everything came out so good, and this got me so excited for more fun summer produce. I'm still in the hunt for sun gold tomatoes, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this was the perfect start to my client's birthday weekend.